This is my fairy tale. Bea Reyes, will you marry me? It was a whirlwind romance. Guys, this is my girlfriend Bea, my future wife. Pero noon pa lang, alam kong siya na talaga. Siyang mundo ko. Ang buhay ko. I was never this sure of anything. Kaya naisip ko, ba't ko pa papatagalin? And this,
I'm sorry, Hans.
is when my fairy tale
I can't.
was shattered. 3 months ago yun.
Uy! Uy! Naisipin si Bea.
Bea, see you. Actually, wala na ako ibang iniisip kundi siya. Paano niya nagawa sa akin yun? Binigay ko naman sa kanya ang lahat. What did I do to deserve this?
Hans, what's happening? Lagi kang late. Sorry, sir.
Anong nangyari?
Late na naman nagising.
Alam mo na bro, okay.
Ay, nako. Wala na akong magawang tama.
Mukhang pagod ka na. Break muna tayo. I got you a yum burger. Papasaya?
Mamaya na lang siguro. Kailangan ko bumawi eh. Pwede.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kakagat ka rin.
Saan yung drink ko?
Wawa, treat mo yung drinks.
O sige, ako next time.
And that's your target for the next quarter. Congratulations. Good job.
Break muna tayo. Yung burger? Sagot ko naman.
Pampasaya?
Salamat kagabi ha. Bago ako dumating, I was ready to give up.
Don't give up. Ketchup? Oy, tumawa na ulit siya.
Last na yan ha.
Napatawa kita. Namiss ko yan. Namiss ko yan.
Ano?
Alam mo, hahabulin ka ng plancha.
Di ka pa nagpapagupit.
Konting ligo lang kamukha mo na ulit yung Hans na kilala namin. Sige na. Try mo. Para sa'yo din to.
Tama nga siya. Parang I'm starting to feel better about myself.
Ayan! Gwapo ka na ulit.
Uy, thanks. Sinamahan mo ako mag-jog ha.
Good yan. Inaalagaan mo na ulit sarili mo. Ang mali mo kasi, Hans, umikot yung mundo mo sa isang tao. Kaya nung umalis siya, end of the world ka. Hans, baka naman she's not the right one for you. Sarap. Akin yan eh.
Nung nawala si Bea sa buhay ko, hindi ko matanggap. Pero baka kailangan ko lang pagdaanan yun. I needed to learn what love is not. To understand what true love is.
It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way.
Oh, seryoso ka.
Hindi ah. Okay lang ako.
Lian, gusto mo ng pampasaya?
Yung burger? Game. Thank you.
Oh, ano pa ba saya mo?
Meron na. I found her.
'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see. When I know I've got
Ito? Hindi to fairy tale. Hindi siya ang mundo ko. But I want her to be a part of mine. Leanne Rodriguez, you bring me so much happiness. And after years of being there for each other, will you marry me?
Yes.
This time, we're both sure. It's love.